Seriously, David, I am not joking. When you walked through the door, I almost didn't recognize you. You have gotten so handsome since the last time we hung out.
Wow, Maya, you really think so? You look incredible yourself.
Like, what is the actual secret?
Thanks, Maya. Appears the gym membership is finally paying off, I guess.
No, it's more than that. You're practically glowing. You need to give Ethan your secret, because whatever you're doing, he needs to start doing it too.
Right, well, Ethan looks great, man. He's always in shape.
Speaking of, let me go grab him so we can all catch up.
Oh, come on, ignore Ethan for a second. He's perfectly fine over there talking about whatever boring stuff he talks about.
Maya, look. I appreciate the compliments, really. But Ethan is my boy. He's right over there, and honestly, you're making me a little uncomfortable right now.
Ugh, you guys are all the same, so uptight. Why are you worrying about Ethan? He's so stoic, he probably hasn't even noticed we're talking. He doesn't get jealous. Trust me, I know him.
It's not about whether he gets jealous or not, Maya. It's about respect. Ethan is a good guy, and he's my friend. Out of respect for him and for you,
Honestly, I'm going to go check on the other guests.
I mean, it was a really good turnout for David's birthday. Honestly, I forgot how funny he is. And wow, have you noticed he's gotten way more handsome since the last time we saw him? Like, he's clearly been hitting the gym. Hello, Ethan? I'm talking to you. Did you lose your hearing at the venue or something? Okay, what is your actual problem tonight? Why are you being so cold to me? I've been trying to have a normal conversation with you since we left the party, and you're completely ignoring me. It's exhausting.
What was the meaning of what you did tonight, Maya?
What do you mean? I didn't do anything. I was literally just enjoying the party.
the only reason I didn't dump you right there at the party was because it was already late and it wasn't safe for you. If it were earlier, I would have left you there on the spot. Do you spend the entire evening openly flirting with my friend? In front of me? In front of everyone.
Flirting? Are you serious right now? Ethan, you are being so incredibly insecure. I was just talking to David. I can't even have a friendly conversation with your friends without you getting possessive. That is toxic.
There's a clear line between being friendly and touching a man's arm, whispering in his ear, and making loaded comments about his appearance while your boyfriend is standing 3 feet away.
I'm not insecure, Maya. I'm observant.
Oh, please! You're making a huge deal out of nothing. It was just a joke!
It wasn't a joke, it was disrespectful.
Fine, okay, you want the truth. I did it on purpose. Yes, I was flirting with him.
Why?
Because you've been so distant lately. You're always so stoic, so quiet, so controlled. I wanted to see a reaction out of you. I wanted to make you jealous just to see if you actually care about me, to see if you still love me. If a man loves his woman, he gets protective. He gets jealous. You just stood there like you didn't even care.
You thought humiliating me in front of my friends was a good way to measure my love for you?
I just wanted to feel wanted, Ethan. It was stupid, I know.
But I only did it because I love you and I wanted to see that spark in you.
Love doesn't require manipulation, Maya. If you need to play childish games and disrespect our relationship just to feel validated, you aren't mature enough to be in one. I don't play games. And I don't tolerate disrespect.
It wasn't that deep. I swear I won't ever do it again. It was a mistake.
It wasn't a mistake. It was a choice. And it's a choice that just ended this relationship. We're done, Maya. First thing tomorrow morning, I want you to pack your things and move out.
No, Ethan, please. You can't just break up with me over this. I'm sorry, I was being stupid, I admit it. Please, let's just talk about this. Don't throw us away, I love you.
It's over, Maya. There's nothing left to talk about.
Please. Please, Ethan, just look at me. Look at my eyes. I am so sorry. I swear to you, David means absolutely nothing to me. I only have eyes for you. I was just being insecure because you never show me emotion. And I let my head get the best of me. We can fix this. We can go to counseling. We can talk more. I'll do whatever you want. Just please don't do this to us.
You're asking me to look at your eyes, Maya, but I'm looking at your actions. You are only sorry because the experiment failed and you didn't get the reaction you wanted. If I had yelled at you at the party, you would have felt validated in the moment. But then by tomorrow, you would have turned everything around on me, calling me toxic, controlling, and insecure for reacting. I am choosing peace instead, and because of that, you think I am throwing us away. I'm not throwing anything away. I am simply closing a chapter that no longer brings value to my life.
I did it because I wanted you to fight for me. That's what people do when they love someone. They fight. Why won't you just fight for us?
Because I only fight battles where peace is the reward. Fighting with you only brings more chaos. I choose peace. Good night, Maya.
Ethan, please forgive me.